welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who may not know me, I am Megan Murray, also known as Bacon Mac and Cheese on Instagram. So today I am obviously talking about supplements. I get a lot of questions as to the supplements I take, the reason why I take them, what's my supplement routine, are supplements worth the money? So in this video we are going to dive into all of that. So with that said, let's get into the video. Okay, so we're going to be starting with my health stack, and the first thing I do every morning when I wake up, I walk into the kitchen, I fill up a tall glass of ice cold water. I prefer to put my water in a glass to mix up these supplements, but you can also use a shaker bottle, completely preference. But I fill up a glass of water and I put in a scoop of strong reds and a scoop of strong greens. Why do I do this? What are the benefits? I'm about to explain. So let's start with strong reds. Strong reds is going to be your go-to powerful source of antioxidants, which also promotes antioxidant activity. Strong Reds stands out from other Reds products because it actually has an ingredient called Spectra, which is proven to stimulate antioxidant activity within your body. Strong Reds also has digestive enzymes for proper digestion, and it supports healthy breakdown of food. So this is going to be a really great option for anybody, for those who maybe have issues with their digestion, or maybe for those who can just need a little extra boost. This will help get you going in the morning. Well, Strong Greens, this supplement supports improved digestion as well, but it also reduces stomach bloating and it boosts your immune system while also increasing natural energy and overall well-being. So as you can see, they both have a few similarities, but they are also vastly different. So combined, this is a strong addition to anyone's morning. I cannot even explain to you how different I feel starting my day off with this stack. You don't have to take these together. That's completely preference. You could always start off with greens or you can start off with reds. But I'm probably very biased because I love the combination so much. This is the way to go. It is a game changer mixing the two of these. So that is what I do as soon as I wake up. The other two additions to my morning health stack is actually going to be something I do after I eat. So with that said, let's move on to post first meal of the day. Okay, so the other two supplements that I have in my morning health stack, and these are supplements that can be used for overall wellness. So it is going to be the Strong Multivitamin and the Strong Joint capsules. So your Strong Multivitamin. This Strong Multivitamin has your essential vitamins and minerals sourced from premium ingredients. It improves cognitive health, memory, focus, attention, mood, stress, supports healthy glucose metabolism. This is going to be your go-to for all your multivitamins that you probably usually take. I don't know about you, but I used to have like 5 or 6 different medicine bottles for each of these, but now I can just take 4 capsules every morning and I've covered all of it. This is going to be your one-stop shop for all the multivitamins that you probably usually shop for at your local store. So love this product, one of my new favorites. Moving on to the second item would be Strong Joints. This has been something that I think I didn't even really make a priority until recently. I work my body very hard, and I feel like we tend to forget that our joints are going to slowly wear down over time. So I recently added in Strong Joints into my daily morning regimen, and it gives me that sense of peace that I know I'm actively helping my joints. With Strong Joints, you only need to take 1 capsule a day. The benefits of taking Strong Joints is it promotes healthy joints, supports healthy cartilage, supports mobility, reduces inflammatory responses and swelling involved in joint pain and fatigue. Honestly, Strong Joints is a supplement that everyone can benefit from. It is going to be that preventative maintenance. Could not recommend this enough. So again, these are the 2 supplements that I take after my first meal of the day. You do not want to take these on an empty stomach. So I personally like to take these in the morning after breakfast. Some people will like to take them at the end of the day, but no matter what, you will take these once a day after you eat. So it'll be 4 capsules of the multivitamin and 1 capsule of the Strong Joint. So that covers my overall health and wellness regimen. Every morning, it is my routine, and this is how I start the day. Help me feel my best right off the bat. now we're jumping into preparing for a workout. There are days when I maybe not feel as motivated, or I am not as energetic and I am dragging to start my workout. That is when Flight comes in so handy. Flight is a pre-workout supplement. This supplement is going to carry you through some of the toughest workouts. You're going to take 1 scoop of this 20 to 30 minutes before your workout. I like to take this with a glass of water. Usually not a big glass because I don't want to have all that water sloshing around my stomach. Some people actually prefer to dry scoop it, so you scoop it, throw it back. So you're going to do that 20 to 30 minutes before your workout. Once you take this, you're going to have increased intense energy, strong tunnel vision focus, improved muscle endurance, and strong muscle pumps. And the awesome thing about Flight from Bare Performance Nutrition is it comes in so many different flavors, which is such a nice option to have, because who wants to throw back something that doesn't taste good? So that covers pre-workout. And if I didn't mention this before, none of these supplements are going to be something that you have to take. They're all supplemental in your fitness journey, your health journey. It is all just to help as an additional resource. So this, I truly benefit a lot from a pre-workout like Flight. Now, still talking about that pre-workout regimen, another supplement that I love to use is going to be a product called Endopump. Endopump is going to be your go-to pre-workout that does not contain any caffeine. So this is a great option if you don't get to your workout until the afternoon, let's say 2 or 3, and you don't want to be up all night with all that extra caffeine in your system. Endopump is going to be your go-to supplement. So Endopump is going to be your go-to supplement for that improved muscle endurance. If you want some increased blood flow and oxygen transport to your muscles, that gives you that muscle pump, this is going to be what you want to take. A lot of people actually take the pre-workout and the Endopump for that added muscle pump. And a muscle pump, this is going to increase the volume of the muscles that are being trained. So I always take Endopump on upper body days. Again, another product that is obviously just an additional benefit heading into a workout. When you want to get the most out of your workout, Endopump is going to be a great option. And this is another product that also has multiple flavors. This is the blackberry lemonade, but it also comes in blue raspberry. Now that we've talked about pre-workout supplements, I'm going to dive into supplements that are either post-workout or supplements you can kind of take at any point of the day. It is a personal preference. Either way, it's going to be very beneficial for you to take them on the daily. After a solid training session, whether you're going for endurance or hit a hard lifting session, your body needs to recover. And IntraFlight is an amazing addition to your routine to help aid in recovery. This is a supplement that you can either take in the morning, right before your workout, during your workout, after your workout, or at the end of the day. A personal preference of mine is I actually like to take this at the end of the day. This also comes in 2 flavors. This is the watermelon, but it also comes in lemonade. So it is super refreshing, but in addition to that, it also increases your endurance and stamina. So that means longer and more effective workouts. It improves a faster recovery after workouts. So it'll help in reducing muscle soreness. I have been so sore with some new workouts I've been doing this week, switching it up and using different muscles. So I have been using this religiously before bed. It is going to really help in greater muscle development, which is exactly what I'm looking for as I try to gain some muscle mass. Now, for those of you who don't know, IntraFlight is also known as Bare Performance Nutrition's BCAAs supplement. And for those of you who may not know what that means, BCAA stands for branched chain amino acid. Why do we care about branched chain amino acids? The branched chain amino acids consist of the 3 amino acids that our body cannot produce on its own, meaning we can only get them through food or through supplements. And these amino acids are essential for building muscle. So that is why you want to add this to your routine if you either are trying to build muscle or, on the other hand, if you're also trying to recover from a hard endurance workout or lifting session. And then I also want to mention that IntraFlight is another supplement that does not contain any caffeine, which again is why I prefer to take it at night. It is something that helps me recover as I sleep. So that's become my favorite window to take IntraFlight. Since we're on the topic of recovery, let's go ahead and talk about protein powder. Whether you are trying to build or maintain your muscle, you are going to need protein to do that. What's so awesome about the Bare Performance Nutrition protein is that they make theirs with 88% whey protein and 12% casein protein. Other than the fact that you can bake with it, is that it is a fast-acting and slow-releasing protein source. And on top of those beneficial reasons for taking the Bare Performance Nutrition protein, they also have an insane line of delicious flavors. I love to put protein in either my morning bowl of oatmeal. You can make something called protein sludge, where it's almost like an icing consistency, and I put that on my French toast. You can make shakes out of it. You can get very creative with their protein powder specifically because of the baking aspect of it, and because they have so many delicious flavors of protein that you can choose from. BPM will actually be coming out with some vegan options. They don't currently have any out, but this month, May, I believe the end of the month, they'll be coming 2 new flavors. So I know I'm personally very excited for that. It'll be nice that I can supplement in with vegan whey protein. But protein is an amazing addition to your routine. If you are someone who's trying to build and grow and get stronger, you need protein in order to do that. Piggybacking off a little bit of the building muscle topic, creatine is going to be another staple supplement that you should be taking if you are trying to build muscle and increase your strength. Creatine increases your strength, power output, performance, and muscle mass. So supplementing with the best creatine powder ensures that your muscle cells are saturated with creatine phosphate and you are able to increase your endurance, strength, and muscle mass. Basically, if you're not taking creatine, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to increase your strength immensely. And this is actually going to be one of the most highly used supplements in the fitness industry, yet it is one of the least costly supplements. So there's no reason not to have this in your regimen. This is something that you can take any time of the day, just as long as you're taking at least 1 scoop of it. You can put this in your shake, intra-flight, your strong greens and your reds, any time of the day. I would just recommend you take it the same time every day. So get you some creatine. Moving on to another supplement option that you can take any time of the day. You probably want to take it either in the morning or in the early afternoon. That is when I take it. I take this in the early afternoon. It's called Infocus. It is one of my favorite supplements. You can take this as a pre-workout, and I know some people do. I personally prefer to take this when I need cognitive focus going into, maybe I'm studying or I'm working on the computer or I just need some mental clarity. Infocus is my go-to. This is a supplement that I definitely rely on when I need to get in productivity mode. So 1 scoop of this will increase energy, tunnel vision focus, improve your mood, and it also increases metabolic rate to increase rates of fat loss, which is something that I don't even personally take it for. It's just another addition to using this. This is such a great healthy alternative to your gas station energy drinks. This actually has quality ingredients though, and it's 50 scoops in this container, so it's essentially 50 energy drinks. So not only is this saving you money over the long run, but you're not putting in chemicals into your body. These are all very quality ingredients. So like I said, my personal preference is to take this right after lunch, early afternoon, because usually I hit a wall after lunchtime. I'm ready to like take a nap, but there's still things I gotta do. 1 scoop of this and I'm good. Right now they currently have 2 flavors out. It is blue snow cone and raspberry lemonade. Don't ask me to choose my favorite because they are both equally amazing. So this is a great addition whether you are a student or a mom or coach, someone who has to sit down, be productive. Infocus will help you get the job done. Last but not least, we're gonna dive into a product that isn't a supplement, but it is a nutrition bar. BPN came out with these field bars. I'm currently holding their chocolate cereal crunch, but they have 2 other flavors. They have a peanut butter blondie and they have a recently released almond butter option. These have become near and dear to my heart. They taste like dessert, but they are packed with quality ingredients, protein, fats, and carbs. And for those who maybe want to know, their protein powder is whey isolate, so that helps with those who maybe have irritation to lactose and whey concentrate. So this is a great option for those people. That's why these don't affect me as far as the whey goes. So this is a really great grab and go snack if you need some added protein. It's not a low calorie bar, which I love because that means it will hold my hunger longer. So it's got a decent amount of fats and carbs. It covers all the macronutrient basics. So this keeps me satisfied much longer than your typical protein bar. And what's so cool too about all these bars is they are naturally sweetened with honey. So Nick Bare himself came up with the concept of Field bars. He used to make these himself. And in my personal opinion, and actually my husband came up with this, but he hit the nail on the head, the chocolate cereal crunch bars taste like Reese's Puffs cereal. It has that flavor and then it has that crunch, but it also has a very yummy cookie type texture to it. It is delicious. Could not recommend these enough. And like I said, you have 3 different flavor options, so you cannot go wrong. And that wraps up all of the supplements that I take and the reasons why I take them. I don't just spend my money on supplements just because it's something everyone's doing. I have a purpose behind it. What I love about Bare Performance Nutrition Supplements is they are very transparent about all their products, what they put in there. They show everything that goes into these products. And another huge factor that sets Bare Performance Nutrition Supplements apart from all the other supplement companies is that they are banned substance control group approved, which means all of these supplements are drug free. So if you are in the military or you are an athlete, you can take these supplements knowing that you are taking drug-free, safe supplements. There's nothing hidden in these supplements. They're all BSCG certified. So that is a huge deal because a lot of other supplement companies don't take the time to spend the money and go through the process to get all their supplements certified. So just another awesome reason why Bare Performance Nutrition stands out from the rest. That kind of brings me back around to spending money on supplements. You are going to pay more for products that are quality. In my opinion, and I hope in yours too, it is vital to invest in your health. I think it is very worth paying the price for these supplements. But if you do need help paying for them, I actually do have a code. If you put my name, Megan, at checkout, if you decide to give these supplements a try, you can actually save 10% on your whole order, which is huge. So I highly recommend any of these products. If you have any questions about them that maybe I didn't answer in this video, please let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you found it educational and you found something that is going to help you to reach your fitness goals. Let me know if you end up buying anything. You can easily reach out to me on Instagram at baconmegancheese, or you can obviously leave a comment below. I will go ahead and put my link below. I will put the code below as well, if that's easier, and then I'll also put the website for Bare Performance Nutrition so you can go ahead and check out their website and their supplements on your own. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.